Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like
Probably heard my voice being a bit funny actually, and it's the first time I've had a normal voice in a while. I actually ended up in hospital for a night, and it's miraculous. It was just something that needed to be drained out, affecting my sinuses and stuff. But yeah, I felt 100%, and I've not actually felt this fit in quite some time. So yeah, it's been really nice to get back on the bank. I've lost two. One was to the boy again. If I had my boots on, I could have moved quickly. It's so muddy that I slipped and I lost that one, unfortunately. And what I didn't realise, which I should have known because I do know this, should have checked my line. It actually mucked my line up, which made me lose another one, unfortunately. So in theory, I lost two to the same bloody boy. But there we go. Never mind. I'm looking forward to this Halloween special. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, tight lines. Look at the Barry. Caught a Barry.
Take a photo.
There you go. A decent sized Barry.
What's that?
Oh, mate, I've got something for you, actually. You'll like them. Peanut butter jelly.
Then Chris is into a fish. He's just lost one. He's into his second one. Let's get on it. On the Halloween special.
Sadly, no fish yet landed for myself. Again, it's just that nice breeze earlier on. Hopefully, myself will go through the evening. Sorry, I got a bit of a frog on my throat. Yeah, nothing at the moment, but it's been really promising. I've had lots of runs, and I'm sure they're liners, but you know, there's all good sign. I can hear some crashing out there. But yeah, I think it's midnight now, so oh, there we go. I've got to run on right now. That was good timing, wasn't it? Anyway, yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna get my head down. It's midnight, and yeah, see you in the morning if we don't get a fish before. Well guys, 3 in the morning. There we go. Because my camera just wouldn't turn on. So yeah, a nice 14.5 beautiful mirror. Finally the Carp catchers actually catch a carp on one of our videos. beautiful. A nice, stunning mirror. 3 in the morning. Thank you very much. I don't mind waking up for that.
Yeah, yeah,
Blue Peter!
she moves like a dancing queen. She's attending for which
Good morning! Yeah, Perseverance, as we've said on a couple of our titles before. Wow, yeah, it's taken a while, but it was a beautiful fish, and I don't even mind 3 o'clock in the morning. It's quite good for the Halloween, really, isn't it? That sort of hour. I've just missed one, and I don't know whether it was because the hook was already stuck in the boilie, but when I come back, the hook was actually stuck in the boilie. I am using a little kicker on the hook, so I don't understand how that's happened, but another point for me to note. That was so enjoyable filming that Halloween special for you guys, and just to get out on the bank again with Carp. But we caught a fish, but a carp on the same trip. It's been brilliant. Thank you so much for all your likes, your subscriptions, your comments, everything. Happy Halloween, everybody. Take care and keep catching.
Bye, chat.